How to fix Dairy Queen app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Are you facing issues with your Dairy Queen app? If yes, this video is for you. So let's get started on how you can fix it. First steps first, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Just check your connection, make sure that connection is not the issue here. If the connection is the issue, you can always switch to a newer Wi-Fi or you can always use your mobile data. So after you've made sure that network is not the issue, you can just go back here, go to your settings. On your settings, go to iPhone storage. If you can't find where iPhone storage is, just go to general from your settings, then go to iPhone storage right here. Now find the app that you're looking for, that is the Dairy Queen. You can always search for it here. There we go. Open that app and there offload the app entirely. Tap on offload again, and after the app has been offloaded, reinstall it. That will clear out the cache from your app, and after reinstalling it, your problem should be fixed. If that does not fix it, always update the app to the latest version from your app store. Let's search for Dairy Queen here. After you search for Dairy Queen, let me just open that up. Check if there is an update available. If yes, update the app and you're good to go. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.